Hi, welcome to Camlish.com. I'm teacher Emmy and I'm going to be your teacher in learning the English language easily. The title of our book is Classroom English. This is a practical guide to teaching English through English. Now our discussion will start on page 230. Okay, so on this page we're already on lesson number 73 and the topic is crossword puzzle. Okay, crossword puzzle. So do you know what is a crossword puzzle? Have you already seen a crossword puzzle? Okay, so let's check here below the teacher's language first. We have here the first one. Let's start reading. There is a crossword puzzle at the top, right? Okay, next. What's below the puzzle? We also have here, what are the numbers under down? Next, look at the first picture under down. Next one, what will you write for one down? And the last is, now fill in the rest of the words in the puzzle. Okay, so these are some of the things that the teacher will say if the class is going to do an activity about crossword puzzle. Now let us check the dialogue part so we can understand those sentences better. Okay, we have here the dialogue. After the teacher passes out a crossword puzzle. So the teacher said, did you all get one? There's a crossword puzzle at the top, right? And then the students, right. Teacher, what's below the puzzle? The students said, pictures. Teacher, right. Do you see the word down? Okay, on to the next page. And then the students said, yes. And then the teacher again, what are the numbers under down? Students, 1, 3, and 4. Okay, teacher, and under across? Students, 1, 2, and 5. Teacher, right. Now let's do number 1 together. Look at the first picture under down. What is it? And then the student said, cat. Teacher, yes, it's a cat. So what will you write for one down? And then the student said, cat. Teacher, spell it. Student, C-A-T. Teacher again, good. Write C-A-T for one down. And then the students write the word. Now fill in the rest of the words in the puzzle. Okay, so that's just an example of a situation about answering crossword puzzle. So let's study now the other expressions this time. We have here number 1, the question, what's below the puzzle? You could also, the teacher could also use what's underneath the puzzle. Below, underneath, they're the same. Or what do you see at the bottom of the page? Again, below, underneath, or bottom, they are synonyms, so they mean the same thing. Okay, number 2 we have here, what are the numbers under down? Or it could be said this way, what numbers are there under down? Or what numbers do we have under down? Okay, number 3 now, look at the first picture under down. Okay, another way of saying that in a question form is, do you see the first picture under down? Or does everybody see the first picture under down? Okay, number 4 now we have the question, what will you write for one down? Or another way of saying that is, what's the word for one down? Okay, now on to the next page. Alright, so on this page you can see the Korean translation of the dialogue part that we've just read a while ago. Again, the other expressions that we discussed and we studied a while ago, they can also be used in this dialogue part. Okay? Now on to the next page. Alright, here on this page you can see a sample of what a crossword puzzle looks like. So we have here some boxes, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so how will we know what words or letters to write in each box? So we will have a guide here below. You can see down, the picture of number 1 is this, 3 is this one, and 4 is this one. So 1 down, this is a picture of a cat. So if you go back to the crossword puzzle, you write it here, starting here, C, A, and T, because it should go down. But if it's the other one, across, and number 1, this is a picture of a car, so you will write it here, C, A, R. Okay, so it should go like this if it's across. So that's just a sample of the crossword puzzle, and that's it for this video. Thank you for listening. Again, I'm Teacher Emmy. See you in our next video lesson. Goodbye.